you. Yeah, feel like I'm at the tippy top of my game, looking down at the rafters. I had to son these boys, can't leave them bastards. A lot of dudes, just some undercover actress. I don't fall for it, I'm privy to all your tactics. Yeah, so try again, this time take a vitamin. Yeah, invite them in, welcome to the Lions Den.
Alrighty guys, after that super quick switch, moved from the 13 tooth up to the 14. We're gonna test this out, see how it feels. Here's the 13. But yeah, just gonna see how this works. Just trying to find out what the chain noise was, or like what the noise was coming from the sprocket. And I'm fairly certain it's just this guard that is like super worn down from it having a larger sprocket on the rear, but I think we can just put up with that. Just gotta get this chain aligned and we're good to go. It is like eerily quiet right now. Not anymore. Wow guys, I am like 2 seconds into this and it already feels a lot better. We'll see if it wheelies in a second here, but like first gear is just like so short. And I don't know, I think with the chain guard and the chain, it almost felt like it would jump when I was shifting gears, and it like did not shift super smooth. So this already feels, downshift, upshift feels so much smoother. All right, let's try a wheelie still. This is totally gonna pull down my sweatpants, but it's all good. Still wheelies just fine, no issue. Yeah, so with 1342, I'd really get this super odd clunk anytime I shifted in any gear. I thought it was like partially the transmission, maybe like the sprockets and chain, but I put a whole new sprockets and chain set on it, so like, it's kind of confused. But wow, this feels great. And this is gonna be so much better on the highway. Yeah guys, so I won't lie, chain is still decently loud. Like specifically from the front sprocket. I'm gonna guess partially that has to do with the fact that this aftermarket sprocket doesn't have the little rubber gasket around the inside that the stock one has, so that might be why. I'm thinking it's probably fine, but loving this so far. I will catch you in the morning though. What's up guys, and it is now daytime again. We're out testing the 1442 today in some daylight. It's not the nicest, it's a little overcast, but we're gonna see how this thing feels. Probably take it to the lot, do some practice wheelies, just get our reps in and see how this new gearing feels. We will also do a top speed test. I'll try that on the highway or something here in this video. Yeah. Some pop. But yeah guys, to reiterate, we went from 1342 to 1442, so it's geared a little taller now, should do better on the highway, but still has a good amount of low end, and that's my biggest concern, is obviously just that it can still wheelie while still being a little bit better on the highway, not going through gears like within 10 feet. Fuck is that? What? Okay. Alright, let's see how this top end feels now. Top end feels good. I feel like I've got a lot of room still. Just chilling at 60 here. This is accurate within about 5 miles an hour too, so. All right, so we'll hit our little spot here, and then turn around and go to that little parking lot I was at in the last video. So you just need a little bit more throttle. A little more throttle is all that we need. A little bit more throttle now that it's 1442. All right, let's do a little top speed. Easily cruising to 70. That was easy.
Be no arguments, 'cause you're now viewing the
will take that. Alright, so some random dude just pulled up here. He's probably like, watch this young skipper doing. I'll do a wheelie by him. It's actually some mega old dude, and he doesn't look like he gives a fuck. Guys, these are feeling pretty good. All right, guys, here's the highway test. I don't know how, wow, those are bad potholes. I don't know how accurate it's going to be just because there's a ton of traffic, but we'll see what we can do. 75, 80. I hope I tightened everything correctly. She'll cruise at 80. Just chilling at 75. Again, 1442. I think this is it, guys. This might be where I stay. Unless I switch to supermoto wheels, which I'll probably still stay 1442. It'll just be a little bit lower. But I love this. This is great for me, guys. Is this open? Damn it to hell, it's not. Oh, yeah. Oh, the air feels so brisk here coming off the water. I feel like I'm in Hawaii. I feel like this is an accidental broadcast episode. Alright guys, looking like we're starting to get a little bit of rain here, as you can tell. But luckily this is waterproof. We got a little sandwich, a little Red Bull action. We're gonna eat this and then get back on the bike, practice some more wheelies. A little chicken cheesesteak action. Oh, classic, guys. Right as I start riding. This is dope. Why do I get myself into these situations? It was not supposed to rain today. I sorry to interrupt this little review of the 1442, but after I got Wawa, it just started pissing rain, and it's still raining right now. But I figure we might as well let's just send it in the rain. Who cares? Just send it in the rain. Jump that little curb. I feel like there's just gonna be a lot of tire spin. Yep. All in all though, I really do like this 1442. Cruising is so much smoother, even just shifting through the gears. It's noticeably better with this setup. So it just gives you a lot more flexibility. It just makes it more convenient and nicer to ride, to be honest. 1342 is nice to have the torque, but 1442 gives you a little more top end. As you saw, cruising on the highway was pretty dang easy. Now you can still wheelie it too. Obviously just requires a little bit more oomph on the rev and clutch dump, and then actually yanking it back, but you can still get it up. Once you're up to balance point, it's fine. So just gotta gas the shit out of it, dump the clutch, get it up to balance point, then you're chilling. But I do really enjoy this setup so far. Oh my gosh, that was a big drop straight to the eye. This guy's an ass. Anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.